Hey, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we're looking at Big Walter Horton's version of Don't Get Around Much Anymore on a B-flat harmonica. Don't go anywhere. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to click like, share this video and subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. Now in today's lesson we're looking at the first section of Don't Get Around Much Anymore. We're doing what I call the head. So that's the kind of main melody. It starts with that and it returns to that later on. We'll be looking at that first verse. If you'd like to learn the whole song from start to finish, every single note and all the little subtleties, then I have a premium lesson and you can find the link for that beneath this video. I also have a members zone which gives you access to all of my premium lessons, and that's a growing collection because I'm putting up a new lesson every single week. Then you can do that by finding the link beneath the video, and it costs $19.99 a month to get access to that. Okay, so let's crack on with this first verse. I'll just play it for you so you know what we're doing, and it sounds something like this. Okay, so that's the first verse. Let's get on with the tab. So line A, here we go. Yeah, so we've got okay, so he's sliding up to a 7 draw. The starting point isn't so important, it's more that you make sure you end up on that 7 draw. I'm probably starting around the 4, but I'm trying to hit that 7. And then 6 draw 6 blow. And then 4 draw 4 blow. So. But he's slapping both that 4 draw and the 4 blow, so you get like that, okay? So if you've got the ability to do that, by all means add it in. And then there's a sneaky little 3 blow, almost sort of so quick and quiet it's inaudible, but it's there. And then 3, 4 together, double stop. So. Yeah, it's such a lovely melody, this. It's a bit of a classic old tune. Obviously, loads of people have done it, but I do love this harmonica version by Big Walter. So line B. Very similar. So if you compare the tab, the only difference is that last note is a bit cleaner this time, just a 3 draw, with some vibrato. Rather than a 3, 4 together. By the way, when it comes to things like vibrato, and also things like the slaps and the glissando, the slides up and down, you can sort of use your own judgment if something feels right to you. I'll try and tell you as much as what I can tell of what Big Walter did, but you might want to decide for yourself. You might disagree with some of the stuff that I reckon he did, so kind of use your own interpretation. And then line C. Yeah. I love that. So we're starting with a little bit of a bend up on the 4. So starting with a semitone bend and releasing. Dwa, or a scoop. And then 4 blow. And then I love this on the 3. Kind of starting down by the 2nd bend, but then releasing up to a semitone. And then we go down to the full bend again, full step bend. And then 2 draw, 6 blow, 5 blow. So. Really nice. And then finally line D. Okay, so we've got a semitone bend on 3, and then a 4 blow, 4 draw bend, 4 draw, and then 1 draw, 2 blow, 3 blow. So, and then a 2 draw, but he kind of starts with a draw chord and then narrows his mouth. That kind of thing. You've probably heard that in other contexts before. So. Okay, so if we put that all together, 3, 4, 1. Fabulous. So that is the head of the song. So the main melody that he plays at the start, and then it kind of varies and goes away from it and then comes back to it. So that's all we've got time to look at in today's YouTube lesson. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you want to learn the full song, and there's loads of really cool stuff in there, subtleties, and well, if you know Big Walter, you know all the stuff he can do. I mean, great stuff to consider. So if you'd like to learn the full song, then you can get my premium lesson. There's a link beneath this video to find out more about that. And if you'd like all of my premium lessons, then I have a new members zone for $19.99 a month. You can get all of those premium lessons, and it's a growing community of lessons because I'm putting a new one up every single week. So do check out the link beneath the video to that as well. Thanks for watching today, and remember to click like, share the video and subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. I love taking your feedback, and I take requests as well. I try to do as many of your lesson requests as possible. So do put comments beneath the video. You can email contact@LearnTheHarmonica.com, and you can find me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Just search for Learn the Harmonica on those platforms. Until I see you again, good luck with your practice and see you soon. Cheers.